guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Hey, welcome to my channel. Hey, welcome to my channel. Hey, 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 hey. If you're new to my channel or if you just bumped into my channel, welcome. I really appreciate you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, guys. Okay, I think I have to wait for you to subscribe, but sometimes you don't subscribe when I say you subscribe. So please subscribe. So I'm gonna wait for you to subscribe. Okay, I'm sure by now you've subscribed. I'm sure by now you've subscribed. Make sure you subscribe. The red button is here. You subscribe, honey. So today I'm going to do a video about this box braids, honey. I know you're curious on how I did this, guys. I did this box braids, I think, in 3 days. And guys, how cute is my top? Okay, it's not a top. It's like a, what do you call it? And you know what, guys? I made it. Let me show you. Show you guys how it's looking like and how long my braids are. Okay, let me just do this. Let you see. Yeah, this is like the thing that I made. I know I ended up showing you this because, like, I'm proud of myself. Like, I mean, yeah, you know, just be proud. Like, I did this, I did this, I did this. Okay, what I didn't do here. Oh, I did this. What I didn't do here is, I think, the jewelry. Only, okay, in the lashes, but everything else, honey, is like self-made. Okay. So the braids that I used color number 27. You see this brown one is number 27, and there's like a darker brown. Okay, like the darker brown, it was like the braids that I used before, and then I just decided, like, let me use them. And even this whitish color, okay, it was like a packet that was left from my previous braids, and I decided to use it because I thought it was cute. Just mix up colors, and you know, it's just nice, you know. And they are so long, and I'm going to show you in the video how I made them so long like this. They're so long up to my, I think they're okay. They're not up to my knees, but they're almost at my knees. So, like, let me just say, like, they're knee length. They're knee length, right? They're knee length braids, and they're super cute. So I used 8 packets for this, and I'm going to show you in the video. Okay, I want to say I'm going to show you in the video how I made them long like this. They're not like, okay, they are your regular braids, like your regular packet of braids. Okay, I'm going to insert a clip here or here. Which one's cute? Okay, I'm going to insert a clip over here so that you will see. I'll show you the trick that I used to, that I did, I mean, wow. The trick that I did to make them this long, honey. You just have to hold them a certain way. I used 1 packet of white. I don't know which number the white one is, and the black one was number 4. Yeah, the side is really showing, and it's so cute. You see, this is like your, it's not black, but it's like brown, so it's color number 4, and it was really cute. It was really nice. I really loved it, guys. I was like, yeah. So I used 1 packet of this and then 1 packet of white. It was like, okay, it was not one packet, but like it was 3/4 of each pack for the white and for the brown. These are the leftovers from my previous braiding or my previous braids. That's what I used. And then I used 7 packets of these brown ones. And 1 packet was like 9 rand or 10 rand. Well, let's just say dollar. If, yeah, these are your regular braids that you can find at any shop, either $1 or 10 rand. And I used 8 packets. So if you are interested in seeing how I did this and how I achieved this look, carry on watching. So this is my hair. Okay, I don't know what I was talking about here, but I think something happened. To you guys who were saying, like, my skin is smooth, guys, my skin is not smooth. I've been struggling with acne, and I now have like spots, and I'm still trying to figure out how I can, you know, get rid of them. So yeah, and this is what I was doing. I was just tying my hair to make sure, like, I leave a part of my hair so that, like, it's easy to
maneuver. So that is what, okay. Here at first I wanted to like tie like this, but I figured it was not okay. I just needed to, you know, cut like a line under and then just go like do lines as I go up. So that is what I did, and yeah, it really came out really nice. It worked. So this is the braid that I used. I used Darling. This is color number 27, as you can see, and I used 8 packets as I told you earlier on. And now I was just pulling the braids. You have to make sure you pull the braids. I didn't like cut them. I used them as long as they were. As you can see, oh, that was the machine, like, yeah. And I was like kind of dividing their hair like the portions, so that like, wow, why am I so restless? I don't know why I'm so restless, guys. So yeah, that is what I was doing. I was just dividing the hair to see which side I want to use or how I want to do my hair. And right now I was just, yeah, trying to show you how I hold the hair. And now when you want to do your back, you see, you hold as if you want to do cornrows, and then you just go. So this is the trick. Do as if you want to do cornrows. If you struggle with plaiting your back, or you know, doing box braids on your back, just do as I did right now. Okay, right now it's just dancing. I don't know why. Okay, this was the second day. Was it the second day? No, this was the third day. No, this was the second day. It was early in the morning. I think it was 7 a.m. And yeah, I know my face was like looking like a mess. But yeah, what can we do, honey? What can we do? So yeah, I was just continuing with my braid, and I wanted to show you how I do. You don't, okay, so I always see some people like, what do you call it, putting the braid and then rounding it on your hair. You don't have to do that. Do as I did here, so that like your box braid won't have like knots. You don't have to take your braid and then round it. I don't know how to call it, but like round it on your hair, or once or 2 times. No, you don't have to do that. Just hold your hair and plait as you go. Don't round, don't do anything, don't wow, don't do anything, just, yeah. So that is what I did. Right now I was just plaiting and plaiting. This took me like 3 days, and this was the third day. I'm sure this was the third day, and it was very early in the morning again. And as you can see, I was sitting on the sun because it was so very cold, and I always layer. I don't know why I wasn't layering there, but like, yeah, it was like 7. Yeah, it was around 7 a.m. So I was doing like the last line, and this was my last line, and I was just kind of mixing the braids. I wanted like a kind of I don't know, whitish, brownish and goldish color on my hair. So yeah, I was done now. Like I was using like castor oil, and yeah, I usually like to blow my hair. I don't like to put it in water. Okay, if you don't want to put your hair in water, just blow dry it. It's not blow dry because it's not wet, but yeah, just blow it up or blow it out. Well, okay, just blow it. Use a blower and just try to blow it. So like with, if you want to use like high heat or low heat is fine, but like high heat is fine. You like, you won't burn your hair. So I was just blowing like the castor oil to just sip in my head. Use any oil that you can use, and yeah, we're done.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby. But you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Fill you like a pill to get my fill.